Hello, Shally Nations and my wonderful viewers. You're welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can make nothing less than $100 per hour just delivering cars and trucks. It's a very easy side hustle. So before we proceed, this video is going to be mind-blowing. So I want you to sit back, relax, tighten your seatbelt because it's going to be a rough, intense ride. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube algorithm can recognize that people are actually watching this video and they can now send it to a larger audience. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified first hand before any other person whenever I upload videos fresh from the oven of my research. Now hopping on to the first website on my list, and this website is called Rody.com. So on their dashboard you're going to see several options. Why Rody? Delivery solutions, industries we serve, personal, login, and to get started. So you may want to know why Rody for business. You can check them out on their blog posts. There are several posts and all that. Now delivery solutions, so they can deliver things you've bought from the stores, shipping, hot shipping, retail delivery, scheduled delivery, express air delivery, home delivery, inventory repositioning, returns and reverse logistics, and all that. So they have served several brands, e-commerce brands, grocery, home decor, auto parts, artisan foods, construction supplies, florists, healthcare, airline luggage, catering, equipment, rentals, and the list is so endless. So you can be part of those who deliver in this company. So you can deliver. Rody is a crowdsourced delivery platform that enables urgent, same day and scheduled delivery of just about anything anywhere in the US. All right, and these are the brands that trust Rody: ATD, Gringa, ACE Hardware, Verizon, Foodkick, and other brands listed. So they offer a faster, more flexible, and more scalable same-day delivery options than traditional carriers and an on-demand couriers. Drivers on their platform deliver to 29,000 plus zip codes nationwide. Actually, Rody.com is the largest same-day delivery footprint in the nation, and they are currently recruiting. So if you are a driver in the US and you are very good at driving, you are very good at it, what are you waiting for? So whether you are delivering cupcakes or couches, Rody streamlines delivery for all kinds of businesses. Or if it's personal, it's perfect for one-off or occasional deliveries. So get an estimate upfront and then create your deliveries. So door-to-door delivery with benefits. Forget expensive couriers and long shipping lines. Whether you are sending something local or nationwide, Rody is an easy, inexpensive way for businesses and individuals to get stuff delivered. So here is the business senders and the individual senders. For the business senders, flex your fleet up and down, protect every delivery, deliver next level customer service, track packages in real time. For the individual senders, save time. Save the time and headache of sitting in traffic to run errands across town. Let Rody do it for you. Make life easier, enjoy peace of mind, get deliveries done faster. These are the perks Rody will do for you once you decide to use their services. And Rody is currently hiring for drivers who have some years of experience in this. You can check out their resources, you can check out their support, contact them, or even check out their careers. On their careers, you can join for the ride and then join their team. So So the first step is to join their team. Some of the benefits is compensation, competitive salaries, and bonus programs, education assistance, work-life balance, paid sabbatical leave, flexibility, so you can work anytime you want, anywhere, any side of the country you choose to work in, retirement savings, wellness, and so others. So they're actually hiring for an associate software engineer, product owner, and others, and as well for a driver. You can view more jobs. Now the second website on my list, or the second website on my list that is currently hiring, where you can make $100 and more as a driver, is the one I call TaxRabbit.com. On TaxRabbit, they get to assemble furnitures, IKEA assembly, crib assembly, parks assembly, bookshelf assembly, decks assembly, for mounting, general mounting, TV mounting. So whatever kind of mounting you want to do, bookshelf mounting, wardrobe mounting, curtain mounting, hanging at home, mounting home decor, these guys got you. Or if you want to move from one place to another, you need to move your furniture, you need to move your trash, you need to move something that is very heavy, you need to rearrange your furniture, or the junk haul, or an apartment moving in and out, these guys got you. Or you need to clean. If you are very good at cleaning, you are above 50, you are good at cleaning, or you are under 50, you have a spark for keeping somewhere very clean and tidy, you can come and apply as a cleaner here to get started. Or if you know how to carry out outdoor activities like lawning the yard, snow removal, landscaping help, branch and hedge trimming, gardening and weeding, if this is your spark, you can come and apply on TaxRabbit.com. As well, if you are good at repairing doors, cabinets, furnitures, walls, ceiling, appliance installation, lights, carpentry, plumbing, electrical help, flooring, windows, and all that, if you are very good at any of this, then TaxRabbit is currently hiring. You should check it out, as well as painting. So if you can do indoor painting, wallpapering, or you've taken courses on Udemy, Skillshare, Coursera, and other platforms that teach you how to do this very well, you should come over here to exercise what you have learned and practice what you have learned. So if you know how to do outdoor painting, concrete and brick painting, accent wall painting, wall removal, what are you waiting for? You are going to paint walls, ceilings, moldings, and doors, include prep and cleanup, and then color blocking, stripe details, and statement colors. And guess what? 3.4 million plus furnitures have been assembled. 1.5 million plus property have been moved from one place to another. 1 million plus items have been mounted, and so on and so forth. The list is so endless. You might want to cop on here to apply, but before you do that, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you will be updated once I release my uploads. All right, now these are what customers are saying about TaxRabbit. So many people have given it a 5-star review. And it's an excellent review from Trustpilot because it gives customers and clients maximum satisfaction. So you may be wondering how it works. All you have to do is choose a tasker by price, skill, and review. Schedule a tasker as early as today. Chat, pay, tip, and review all in one place. So you can apply to be a tasker so that you can find clients. You can check out their careers available on TaxRabbit, or you can become a tasker, services by city, all cities, and all that. Now the third website on my list that is currently in need of drivers so that they can earn nothing less than $100 in a day is what I call Postmates. All right, so on Postmates here, you are going to get food, drinks, groceries, and more delivered. So wherever your address is, all you have to do is impute it and then click on deliver now. All right, so if you want to know more about them, you can click on get help, buy gift cards, add your restaurant, sign up to delay, save on your first order, and all that. Now the next website on my list where you can earn nothing less than $100 as a driver is what I call amazonflex.com, and you can find it on flex.amazon.com. Here, no matter what your goal is, Amazon Flex helps you get there. So start earning. Most drivers earn $18 to $25 and more an hour. So depending on how much you drive or how long you drive is depending on how much you will earn. So actual earnings will depend on your location, any tips you receive, how long it takes you to complete your deliveries, and other factors. So you may be wondering what Amazon Flex is. It's simple. You use your own vehicle to deliver packages for Amazon as a way of earning extra money to move you closer to your goals. The first step is to reserve a block, make deliveries, get paid, enjoy your life. So you can do well to check them out, download the Flexi app, go to their homepage and all that. Now the next website on my list, which is the number 5, where you can earn so much more depending on how seriously you take it as a driver, nothing less than $100 in a day, is what I call the Instacart.com. All right, on Instacart you get to deliver groceries for delivery or pick up today, whatever you want from local stores brought right to your doorstep. So here you get to choose your store in Francisco Bay Area, Safeway, Coastal, and then as a driver you just have to sign up and choose to be a driver. Then you are paid according to how much you drive or how long you drive, depending with other factors involved. So you can do well to check them out as well. Now the next website on my list where you can earn nothing less than $100 as a driver, where you can make your passion for driving come to life and help you make some bucks that can help you settle out some bills. The next one, which is on my list, is Lyft. But before that, a recap of the first one, which is Rody.com, the second one, which is TaxRabbit.com, the third one, which is Postmate.com, the fourth, which is Flex.amazon.com, and the fourth, which is Instacart. Now the fifth, which is Lyft.com. All right, so before we proceed, guys, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. To get started on Lyft.com, you have to apply to drive or sign up to ride. So as a driver, you have to apply to drive. Now set your own hours, earn on your own terms, reliable earnings, make money, keep your tips, and cash out whenever you want. Be your own boss and drive whenever it works for you. Cash out your earnings whenever you want. And there are several reviews and remarks, very positive ones on remarks on Lyft.com. My motto is very simple. It doesn't cost you a penny to be nice and kind, but it will cost you everything if you are not. So if I'm free and somebody needs my help, I will be the first one to jump in a heartbeat. As a student, it's hard to complete my classwork around a schedule. I started driving more with Lyft and realized it was the perfect opportunity to make money and work on my own time. So these are the reviews. If you are ready, get set and go in a few minutes and you are where you want to be. So these guys are actually and actively recruiting in need of drivers. So if this is what you want to do to earn extra bucks for your school, for your material as a stay-at-home dad, then you are good to go. Now hopping on to the last but not the least website on my list, which is a very popular one that we all know. It's the Uber. All right, Uber is a popular ride sharing platforms that hires drivers to provide transportation services to passengers using their own vehicle. So you can go anywhere with Uber, you can do anything you want to do with Uber, provided it's just motion. All right, nothing else, nothing more than that. So drive when you want, make what you need, make money on your schedule with deliveries or rides or both. You can use your own car or choose a rental through Uber. All right, I know so many people who are doing Uber, and they are doing it and are very happy doing it because they love to drive, and they are putting their passion to using their passion to make money. So you can be part of this, or you need an extra side hustle that can help you settle some bills as a stay-at-home dad, or as a student that doesn't have enough to settle out some of the needs in school. This one can be your side hustle, and guess what, you can do this anywhere, anytime you want, in the night, in the day, in the afternoon, according to how flexible your schedule is. All right, so the Uber reimagined for business. All right, thank you so much guys for coming to the end of this video with me. I hope you learned a lot. Do well to check them out as well. All right, and see you in my next video. Bye.